What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, D and Ray. It's me alone today because as you guys know, D is out, nursing her COVID situation. Before we go any further, make sure you like, subscribe and share to the channel. Make sure. In the last vlog I said that I made resin, so I'm going to show you guys that before I go into the video. Alright, I made a coaster. This is the mold. I took it out already. So this is how it came out. It's my first time, so don't bash me too much. My first time. And I also made a letter D. Alright, so it's work in progress. So this is the purpose of the coaster. You get a dirty wine glass and you put it on it, alright? Just like that, alright? So work in progress, as I said, don't bash me too much. Okay? So we'll keep you updated as when we make more. So let us get into the video. It's a reaction video. I'm gonna react to the channel is called Uncle Roger. I watched the video already, but I think it's funny, so I want you guys to watch it. And let me know what you think in the comments below, alright?
Right, he's going to do the taste test.
Taste test? Don't feed this rice to human. Don't do taste test. This is child abuse. Hello, niece and nephew. It's Uncle Roger.
Oh, he called his
Today,
subscribers
Uncle
nieces
Roger
and nephews.
gonna review this video.
And his
Requested
Uncle Roger,
by
get it?
So many niece and nephew out there. It's K cooking special fried rice. As usual, my nephew Nigel, the cameraman. Nephew Nigel, say hi. Hey Uncle Roger, and hey nieces and nephews. Remember, Uncle Roger is doing a comedy video? So don't go attacking anyone after this, okay? Hiya, nephew Nigel. You worry too
here's the
much.
thing, right?
All
When
my
you say
niece and
hiya,
nephew,
he's
decent people.
disgusted by something, or you say fuyo, he's approved, right?
I'm going to be doing special fried rice.
Okay, this video look quite amateur, but Uncle Roger's favorite genre of video is amateur. This video look quite amateur, but sometimes amateur people the most passionate. Uncle Roger give this video a shot.
I put some oil in, it says 2 tablespoons.
Hiya, induction stove, hiya. I just said give this
Uncle
a
Roger
shot.
like fire,
She messed
like he
up
likes the
already.
fire, no
And
induction
why her
stove
induction
business.
stove purple? Uncle Roger never see this before, but at least she got what?
And now I'm going to chop some garlic up, because it says it's got to be really hot and...
This is the dumbest way to see if your wok is hot. Don't just put your hand in the wok, you will burn yourself.
Wait till it does
Just use your
smoke.
eye. Here's how you
Even me know that.
if wok is hot. If there's smoke coming up from wok, you know it's hot. This is not the time to use finger. Don't use finger.
Right, now I'm going to chop the garlic up. Fingers going in there, never mind.
Why your knife so colorful? Is this knife for children? Why are you using Sesame Street knife? And also look at her chopping. The garlic so uneven. They're big pieces, they're small pieces. Chop properly. Hiya.
Hiya.
A purple one.
Oh my god, the garlic so ugly.
Oh,
Her chopping so bad, even the garlic tried to escape from her.
take them to my friend and get them off.
2 hours later. This must be the world's slowest chopping. I think by the time she finished chopping, everybody will have got vaccine for COVID. She's still chopping. Is this egg fried rice tutorial? Or how not to chop garlic tutorial?
You said flatten it with the back of the knife to do the garlic, but probably haven't got enough strength anyway to do it with the back of the knife.
So weak, little garlic, you cannot flatten. I think, Kay, you need to go to gym so you can be stronger than clove of garlic.
Now, I know a lot of you said flatten it with the back of the knife to do the garlic.
That
Yeah, which is
suggestion
right,
is
way.
right. When Uncle Roger chopped garlic, I first flatten garlic with the back of knife, then the skin easy to peel off, and then you can chop properly. If you don't smash your garlic
Exactly.
first, that's why your garlic jump around when you're chopping, because it's not flat. Hiya. Learn the
Hiya.
proper technique. Okay,
Hiya.
finally, she cooking.
Well done. As you can see, garlic has now turned brown.
No, GoFund me for it. I didn't know you could make garlic look like it lived through Chernobyl. Hiya. Uncle Roger said now. For egg fried rice, you want to gently brown the garlic until it's fragrant. Not cremated. This is the garlic ashes. Give Uncle Roger the garlic. I will give it proper burial. Garlic is Asian people's favorite ingredient. And you destroy it. Uncle Roger feels so much pain in heart. Uncle Roger,
yeah, let me know in the comments if you like cooking with a lot of garlic. I like garlic as well.
Don't worry. I'm sure this video won't get any worse than this.
Hopefully.
Oh boy, he doesn't even know what's coming. What's she doing? What's she doing? Is that raw rice she putting in what?
Yeah, raw rice. She threw the raw rice in the pot.
I think Uncle Roger hallucinating. Replay. No.
Uncle Roger stressed out.
Cooked rice into what? I can't ever put my leg back up on chair. This is the most stress I feel. How?
It's stressful too.
Does she know rice need to be cooked? Uncle Roger say if your rice too wet, you fucked up. But if your rice uncooked, you definitely fucked up. Oh no, she's stirring the uncooked rice. No, oh my god, stirring the uncooked rice with the burnt garlic. She just massacred our rice. Watching this video is like watching Schindler's List, but for egg fried rice.
Salt.
So she has seasoned the raw rice.
Uncle Roger have been defeated. I am now empty shell of a man. Seeing this rice, I'm not even mad that she's not using MSG, because even MSG cannot save her niece and nephew. Uncle Roger sampled many different brands of MSG before, and my favorite brand of MSG is this Indonesian brand called Sasa. Uncle Roger think Indonesia make the best MSG. That's why even Uncle Gordon make his egg fried rice, he go to middle of nowhere in Indonesia. This company Sasa even makes special seasoning for egg fried rice. Fuyo. This is the Sasa Javanese fried rice.
Fuyo.
You can cook authentic Javanese
So
fried rice with just this and only
a Chinese
this
or
packet can ruin
Japanese?
Jamie Oliver's whole career. It has authentic Indonesian ingredients like shrimp paste
Or
and
it's
soy
Korean.
sauce, no chili jam. So niece and nephew, if you in Indonesia, go buy Sasa Japanese fried rice seasoning because you deserve to enjoy life. Back to Ouija.
What I'm going to break some eggs. Because it's looking a bit too dry.
That must have egg fried rice,
The
chocolate,
rice
right?
look too dry because you didn't cook the rice. Hiya, this woman think dry rice can be saved by egg. You don't need egg, you need a miracle. This rice drier than my ex-wife Auntie Helen. Even egg cannot save her also. Auntie Helen have egg inside her and she's still dry. Sorry children.
I'm going to crack some eggs, beat them up.
You beat egg up. Uncle Roger want to beat you up. Look at how sad this rice looks. This look like raw rice with rat shit inside. How can you ruin beautiful grain of rice like that? The rice farmer worked so hard to make rice for you and you disrespect it like this. Hi.
It says I've got to put the chicken in with the egg. Right, can it?
So you think putting chicken in the egg is wrong? But you think putting uncooked rice in burnt garlic is correct? What your logic? What your logic? No.
What your logic?
Oh my. Disgusting. With every
Yeah.
step, the rice just look worse and worse.
I don't know if you can see, but I've been cooking some peas because I don't know if you're supposed to cook them first.
You're not supposed to cook the peas first. You're supposed to cook the rice first. Hiya. This woman cook pea, but she don't cook rice.
Like I said, I think you need to get more juice in it. I think you're looking a lot better now. This is the end product of special fried rice.
Is that not the saddest thing you've seen? Look at the rice. Look at
And
the
look how
rice.
she put it too. Look how
It's
peas like I see a garnish
uncooked.
now.
And then the green pea looks so soggy. This rice look like Uncle Roger future. What's she gonna do with this rice?
Right, he's going to do the taste test.
Taste test. Don't feed this rice to human. Don't do taste test. This is child abuse. This rice you don't even feed to animal, but you feed your children. Hi, child services, go arrest her. She's abusing this boy. If you feed this rice to starving person, even starving person will say, I choose to die. I don't want to eat this.
Spoon on the floor, whatever.
When wants me to go on the
Who
spoon?
holds spoon like this? He holds spoon like shovel. So the mom can't cook and the son can't spoon. This family, all sorts of fucked up. Look at her, so excited to see what he think. Okay, it's not good. It's not good. I appreciate you have passion to start your own cooking channel. But this is not how cooking channels supposed to work. It's not supposed to fake Asian people.
What?
You mean what?
You can't taste the garlic.
Hiya, of course you can't taste the garlic. The garlic so burnt it become cold now.
Yeah,
Well, we can be very,
faint.
yeah.
Yeah.
Rice a bit crunchy.
The what? What he say? What he say?
The rice a bit
Rice
crunchy.
The rice crunchy. Of course the rice. The rice not cooked at all. The rice just came from paddy field this morning, and you eat the rice. Hiya, of course it crunchy. Of course.
Right, I hope that gave you a rough idea on how to do special fried rice. Like I said, I was looking forward to doing it because I thought it was going to turn out the wrong way. So, yeah.
Kay, you are a sweet woman, but you terrible cook. I think BBC Food gonna hire her soon. Where are you getting these recipes? The dark web? How are you feeling right now, Uncle Roger? Uncle Roger feels so violated. Gonna go make my own egg fried rice now with the Sasa Javanese fried rice seasoning packet. Need to forget.
Yo, I hope you enjoyed that video. Yo, the first time watching me crack up. Yo, crack up. So let me know if you enjoyed that one. Let me know if you want to see more. Now, I mean, remember to like, subscribe, and share to the channel. I'm out.